Hello, my beautiful people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you for the watch this my video. My people, as soon as know for this our channel, say we they bring gists. Apropos anything with no concern gist. Now with the land for this our channel. That's why you see this channel with the column. Apropos Saga TV. Anyway, if you don't see that channel, news and gist what they do for dear. My people, I beg, make una continue to encourage this channel by subscribing. Just subscribe. It don't take anything from you. Subscribe, put on your notification bell, like and share. I will also appreciate all of you when they watch our video, when they share our video, when also they like this our video. We really do appreciate you all. Okay, guys, I will leave una make una watch this video. This is our latest gist. May I leave una make una watch am. Okay, my people, I will see you now for my next video. Bye bye.
Yeah. What's the new and forget the body? What's the new and forget the body? Huh? Who is Nigeria? Why are Nigeria and me? We are going Who we get? Every now to Luavere. Ekwe na kutale udoni abijena el momi ati weleta ya la video message gati we na ku de no aso wa ojo fo ya so boni ati we ewe mi wo kan o egin ebo mu kebeni o ma la wa wo go mani wa toji o ma na wa gigbo go yo ya nta later ya ti one hour time ya ti we ba mo nko chao. Good morning. Share the video, let the video go viral. Let us play music. A little music before we go straight to the topic. We have a lot to talk today. To our mothers of the house, our sister in the house. Good morning, as I said before. May the peace of today be upon your own and on your household. I beg, make una share this video, may go viral. May reach my hand, may reach my hand. They say this life with the day so. This life with the day so. Make una share the video, may go viral first. When I go call people come. When I go call they come, when I go call they come. Mostly play music. Let me lie. Zomaya. Yes. Una good morning, and una pikin, una brother, una papa, una husband. Now I come today, New Generation Prophet Atiti. They say the country where they know they talk to, where they know they talk, bad thing not they finish for inside. So this morning, make una not too surprised, make una not too vex. Now my mama I can't talk to this morning, my mama. Well of una no say na my mama miss British Ogbaika. They say pikin they talk to mama they talk to pikin. I not come here come abuse on this morning, I not come insult her. They say what is good is not good. I dey see, I know if you just put blame from his head, I know if you can blame her, I know if you can curse her. Na my mama. But the little one, when I fit tell her as a mother, I don't call my mother 2 times. I don't call her. I talk to her. But the way the things come they do go now, I know they like her. That's why I come this mirror this morning. Nobody say I want to take. As I talk to her and I say I talk to other bodies when this matter concern. Mostly my sister, Anwar Joseph. Mostly my sister, Anwar Joseph. Nobody say I come here, come insult you off now. I not come insult you off now. I beg, I can't beg you now. As a mother, the mother who they born the new generation tomorrow, when me they call myself new generation. The mothers, when I take the pride, the mothers, we are not like me that they insult or me that they fall into temptation of bad things. My mothers, I can't beg una this morning. Now una pikin, new generation Prophet Atiti. The one that they take this matter now, is not good. Now I say when I confess beg una this morning. In any quarrel we una get, Lolo, Anwar Joseph, with Ogbaika, British Ogbaika, I can't beg una this morning. Make una let this quarrel finish. It's not good for my presence. Una go the pikin, because of pikin we will suffer. My pikin not there with me, I dey feel am. If they pay me for mine, say my pikin not there with me. Talk close to one person code because I know as the matter start. Not because I don't know as the matter start. The matter starts. This one on my own, this one on my mama. I don't know as I'll take talk put for inside. The thing come dey no, it go stop oh, it go stop oh, it go stop oh. The thing dey worst every day. Mommy, if a lolo your pikin offend you, you get anywhere way for offend you. I beg. I beg. I don't want to come out for this matter second time. I don't want to come out for second time. If you get anywhere Lolo offend you, I will call Lolo president. I will call him. Tell him me forget this matter. Now so me can talk to you as a mother this morning. I beg, mommy. I talked to you a day before yesterday. I talked to you before a day before yesterday. I still come beg you. For the world, may they see him say, I come beg you as a mother. I beg. I beg. I dey beg you this morning, a short video. So, mommy, I beg. Now I come beg you. If you get anything with Lolo do you, he offend you in any way. He tell you what he pay you. He do you what he pay you. Me, your pikin, dey beg today. Mommy, now you make me love a Lolo today. Now you make me like a Lolo today. I see the way this matter they go since then. Nobody say I not get with you talk. I see say Lolo, the way you tell me what's in your pikin. Now I make this matter now not yet since then. But I come out this morning, come beg you for bottom of my heart. I don't want to come and can't do any stupid thing. I don't want to come and can't do any stupid thing. People feel call am stupidity, but if I dey do am, people know say na the right thing I dey do. People dey know say na the right thing I can't do, and people know say na the right thing I dey do. But they say where the call person home, they know they destroy am. You be my mama, where people don't know. I can't beg you this morning, mommy. I can't beg you as a mother. You know, mama, we get plenty pikin. I beg. I don't want to talk word when it go strong, we go be insult. If my papa dey for his house there, he no fit tell you me you enter house. Me your pikin we dey for outside. I'll fit tell you say, mommy, I beg, enter house. I know say me you come up for live video. You get what you do for live video. Do unto the world. The way they go now, mommy, I know they like them. I know they like them. I want you to use this opportunity to beg you with a Lolo. I know say Lolo. Now bring your piece of bring everything come up, but forget everything with Lolo do you. Lolo, I know I just said forget everything. Where your mommy is just like your senior sister. If not, even do not be your mommy. It's like your senior sister. I know say Mona not do saga what they do, but the one they take the saga they go now not be waiting I like. Not be waiting I like. That's why I come out this morning. When I can't tell you now enough is enough. As I do this video now, if you take as anything, if you come out, say you can't insult me, we'll start on because I know the thing are the right thing. Not be as I take come out, so I'm supposed to come out. But you know my mommy, Lolo na my sister. You know mommy when I love, Lolo na mommy when I love. People they look up to me since then. Different people they call me. But this morning, I can't beg you as a sister. I can't beg you as a mother. I can't beg you as a wife. I beg. I know say Muna not talk to herself. If you get anything, Muna the differences, Muna they try to iron out. But the way they go, I don't want to make sure now. I know where they go now. I don't like her. I don't like her. Lolo, I beg my sister, no vex if you see this video. Now you be junior. come out, apologize to baby when you cause. Ogbaika, come out, apologize to baby when you cause. That's when I had the pikin because of the suffer today. That one of the children will because of the suffer today. If I see say that they cost your children for house, if they pay me. If I see say they cost a lot of pikin, they pay me, not be waiting good. Now I say when I come beg you this morning. Other people, they feel they enjoy them. They feel they sweet other people, but for me, you know they sweet me. Not be say I don't know as everything say happen. Not be say I don't know as everything till they come since then. When this matter starts, I call you mommy. Say me forget this matter. I know say who they tie and go they tie, who they lose and go they lose, I know. But the people with the tie and so, with the tie and so, they get their own children for his house. Am I the naka said on manu? Ebo we okpa fi o. Ebo giason am I the naka said on manu? My mom no who. Adegeti ma aviri ma vijima tika amwe bogbi ma wa. Marokba igare we bo ejenena. It is our mothers, our father, they sought us for house. None of us are in Europe today. The children wait all day for Europe, but the one we did for us, we go plan to come tomorrow. Because of live video. Because we want me to hear our name. Because we want to get viewer. Because we want to make me. Now I come beg you this morning, mommy. I don't want to come out for this matter second time again. I don't want to come out for this matter second time again. Ilolo, now you make me love her today. You say now you're home. You make me too proud of Ilolo today. I said, I'm proud of you. But I know you like as soon as they go again. Now I say when I can't drop this short video. I don't talk to you a day before yesterday. I call Ilolo one day. I said I go call him. I not call him since then. I forget. But I'll try when I call Ilolo this morning. When I talk to them. I don't say we not talk to each other. But the way when they take the matter, they go. I want to put a stop for that side when I talk, they go. So this one of the children, so this one of the Peking, so I want to put stop. You tete la wo. You tete la wo la dianu do gunyana gwa. Iye joy la dianu do gunyana gwa. Iye nu kukomo la dianu do gunyana gwa. Keni agiri na. Ada mo gbogbo mo ije me we e bi ave la dian. Wa do ka wa titi sun hen. Ima we ni aero be gbian. Ima we ni lele gbian kan. Ni a fi ori mo iwo. When you do me away now, not that I can't quarrel this morning. I not can't insult anybody this morning. Now the truth waiting for my heart, waiting from where they bleed me for my heart. Now I can't tell you this morning. If you not say no, you know, say the way they do my things, I can't they beg first. The whole world know me. I feel can't beg. Feel can't beg. Not if I start. That's why they do my things. I can't beg una this morning. Lolo, I beg. You be my sister. You be picking when I think they proud. You both when they come out for your mouth. If I they hear and they learn from inside. My mama, the dance where they dance. Now make me know how to dance today. I beg, mommy. Lolo, I beg. I beg una from the bottom of my heart. You no good say I can't come out. Can't they talk to 12 now? No good. No be waiting good. No be waiting good. I beg. I dey beg una this morning. Any quarrel we una get, Lolo, because of me, drop this quarrel with Mrs. Ogbaika. Mrs. Ogbaika, my mama. I beg any quarrel we get with the Lolo. I dey beg you for bottom of my heart this morning. May you drop am. Please, the cost when I don't cost children, when I return the cost. When I return her. I don't like, I don't be with you, they sweet me. I don't come beg. I don't come, the whole world saying, and I can't beg Peking, I can't beg mama, I can't beg my sister, I can't beg my mama. When I throw away this quarter, when I get so, you not be waiting. I'm not saying when I not do saga, but this one when I they go to length. Peking when they grow, they come, we will never know what they'll change to tomorrow. We will never know what they'll change to tomorrow. They feel we governor tomorrow because of the cost we they delay upon their head. They not come change to that governor tomorrow. They'll come be God don't let us born picking we go useless for life. I beg una. Anwa Joseph. I beg, make una drop this quarter. Mrs. Ogbaika, my mommy, make una drop this quarter. When I draw this quarter, now I see when I come beg una this morning. I know as I do my things. I come now, I not come with quarter. I not come with fight. As my sister, Anwa Joseph. As my mama, Mrs. Ogbaika, as you. My mama, my sister, I beg. Anwa Joseph, Mrs. Ogbaika, Muna drop this quarter way there for ground. So I beg. I beg una. I don't feel it down now. If I say when I need down, not be soon I not reach when I go need down for. I just Paco go come and say they carry me need down. Last time when I first come beg out the old women where they live fight. When a nogi with a Edimofi the quarter, when I beg a nogi, they don't beg on because I see what they come seeing a problem. Eti, I lay down beg on. For me to lay down beg on, supposed to know say it get meaning. When I come lay down beg on, I say no. So I don't talk and say no one of una when I go finish down beg again. I believe my ancestors, I believe on myself, I believe for the way I carry on life. For me not to do say attitude don't start now because when I'm waiting not good. Now me I dey repair new generation prophet attitude. So for that one, mommy, a very short video, no verse. The way I take come out this morning, Lolo, no verse the way I take come out this morning. I see come out, I not come out for bad. I not come out for evil. I beg, now they beg una. When I drop this matter, yeah, where if something they come, now they quit, they put an end to it. Not if it don't grow, let person put an end to it again. Now I say when I come beg una this morning, God go bless all of una. Mommy, God go bless you. Lolo, God go bless you. Anything una the poor go the better for una. The cost una cost each other picking, you not get what you go do the picking. You no go reach for their body, you no go reach for money, you no go reach for nights. Any man and woman, any witch, we see me the poor hands. They go sleep and forget to poor hand. They not feel poor hand, say, because they see her for her, soon they cost children. You know, feel happy for our house, you know, feel happy for money, you know, feel happy for evening. I beg, now I come beg una with this short video, make una help forget this matter. Muna forget. Move left and left, please. So God will bless you now for money, God bless you now for evening. So Ajak Paco, I see they expect you since yesterday, say you go come out to can't tell us say oh my dad, the don't pick and move. God is the don't pick and move. Because of a code there. You want me to see Lalubo. Truth not let you not talk again for community. Anyway, my brothers and my sisters, and that's why I dropped the video reach. Now very short video. Because the video when I see for 2 days or 3 days now, when I see where people they send for me, different people they call me, different people they tell me, say, talk to your mommy, talk to your mommy, talk to your Lolo. Lolo on your own. Your mommy na bit heart. Now I come out this morning, come beg 12 now. I beg, make una drop this matter. I beg, make una drop this matter. I come out now, I not come out with quarrel. I know say some people will take it as a crime. You don't care, I don't care, but I dey beg una now. But they not say tomorrow attitude don't start. Like people like me, you record me, you no record me not the fear for that one. But the truth, now me they follow. The truth, now me I they follow. As the community will take good, now me I did. The community don't spoil for so many years. If we were there for Europe, we all mirror like this, where people to look onto, we not to feel unite. More draw one rope as our country will take move forward. And because our country not good now, with all of us pass River Niger, River Ben, we come Europe. And see the people who know how to ride the BCD now. They don't know what to do. They want make them. They want to be big man. They not say if you did for live video, they talk your truth. You they go your work, you know if you make them. I did here, they come they tell the people, the one when I fit tell them, they tell them I'll go my work. I know they believe or person want to bring money for me. That's why you see I feel they tell the truth. If I be person with the chop will go there, I go they find the side when I want to join. One for the same money they eat. No, I not be that kind of person. So now the truth, now they talk. So mommy, as I was talking before, Lolo, I beg Mona forget this matter. Mona forget this matter. I'll call you Lolo. If you see my, I'll call you. Maybe if I did drop this video just now, I'll call you as a sister. See beg you in private. I don't see beg you for outside. I'll see beg you in private. As I finish now, mommy, I'll see call you now. Call you, beg you in private. I don't see beg you for outside. If you anybody wait, I beg more than pick my call when I'll talk to now. So that's why I drop this matter. Reach more than share the video, make it go viral. May reach man a hand, may reach woman hand. Any man when he see him, more than see help me. Write down for comment section. May they forget may they forget, may they forgive. Nothing we they never say before. I know be say I don't know as everything happen. I know as everything happen, but I don't want to go that side now. But I want to make sure say they stop the quarrel where they quarrel. I not say me they not do live video to me they not do live video. I not get right to tell them me they not do live video, but it get waiting. I experienced these 3 days or before this. Now me come tell they say the way the matter they go, I not like them again. We not get picky we want die. We not get picky we want die because of money. Because say we motorize, because say they want to pay us for YouTube. No, we not get picky we want that. We not get picky we want that. We not get picky we they try to disable. Now parable by the truth. So mommy, I beg, forget. Lolo, I beg forget. I know as everything happen. No be say I don't know. You, Lolo, na my sister. You na my mama. I know if you join mama. I know if you join sister. Only the way I take talk and I can't talk and so I they beg to off now. We couldn't forget this matter. I'm gonna forget. We move on. So my brothers and my sister, una do where God go bless you. And a very short video. And I know say I don't reach work this morning. I want to start work. So make una help me share the video. Make it go viral. May rich man and woman hand. May rich man and woman hand. As soon as they come on and they press I like your thing. Maybe when they press the notification bell, make when they press the follow in case anytime when I go online. When I come online, I go to see them because if I don't come out before I come to look me, no, not the press I like your thing. Again, as soon as they hear so make when they press I like your thing. Make when they press I like your thing for me. But if I don't come out now, watch when I go watch for that time. I like your thing, I go join them again. So make when they put the I like your thing now, me not could they put the I like your thing. Make when they put the I like your thing. Make when they press the I like your thing. Make when they put flower. Why they see now? They say that the one when I see. Now I be my own, not be one of you. If you live video don't finish there, I like your team when I go they put. I not the same again. So if I just do line, I make the depression. Beg, Mona subscribe. Go Prophet Atiti Top Show for YouTube. Mona subscribe. Go there. I see get her for new generation top show. And I say I see get her for the best of new generation. I beg make una the press. I like your team. Make una the press Tonzo. Make una the follow me. Not be bad thing I take on her because of the people when I come meet for the community, because of the people when I come meet for the social media, they not teach us good way. Now make me come out. So I believe say from now to 2 years, the good way, all of us go together face the good way. We'll do better things. Our new generation not go to suffer. If all of us were there for Europe, so we feel gather together, call our papa, call our mama, vote governor Obaseki in. Why all of us don't feel bring one governor come out tomorrow? Say governor we here correct go choose him. If after 1 year if you not do anything we'll push and come out, we'll try another person. Why we not fit do him? Then we'll come to cause each other, cause picking. So now the people who are not good for the community now they attack. We're not good for the community now go they attack. every blessed day. So for now, we are not want. Make they say attitude does start. I beg, my sister Lolo, I beg you in the name of God. I know say na Bible now they carry me, no they carry Bible. I can't say me wamu. So I beg, make una forget this. The way the matter they go now. I know say man not touch each other. For this one, when I come they do so. The eye when they look at the verse, the papa when they look at the verse, the mama when they look at the verse. Me myself, new generation prophet attitude at the verse. So now I say I can't drop this message this morning, not be quarrel. Or rigbe, or rimu, or no, or fuwayagbe la, wa appear like your thing. Wa nipi one wadu wa appear like your thing. Iki de gbe so one go on. Ika pe one. It's okay now, yeah. Ezegiro, mommy, I beg you. Lolo, I beg you. Lolo, to work water, sister. Mommy, to work water. Akweka to work water. Yes, now do well. God will bless all of you. Now it's very short video. This one will be this video where we take too much. Now very short video. I beg me to share the video, may go viral. Now do well. God will bless all of you. Now do well. Thank you very much.